Hi, dragon fruit parents. Do you wonder how to preserve your pollen after you collected it? Well, if ever you think other dragon fruit parents would love to have that type of information, please share it with them. I'm Carolyn with Blue Dragon Fruit Nursery, and well, I've grown dragon fruits over 8 years, and also last year we cross-pollinated over hundreds of flowers and also helped in the mega bloom at Wallace Ranch.
First thing is your pollen. I'm going to make sure I dry it overnight before I do anything. And if you dry it overnight, meaning in a dry place in your house. Second, be organized. Have everything ready for you so that you don't start running, oh, I forgot this or that. So let's get to it. So I've got condor that we collected yesterday evening. Sharpie, you write on your baggie which plant it came from, the date it was collected. I also write what was the origin, because sometimes I may have 2 condors of 2 different origin. I want to know which one it is. Then let's do this. So I got a lot of pistils also, but I'm going to try to put as much as possible just the pollen. All right. Let's go. Oopsie, everything goes. Everything goes. Go away. So now, so you'll know that sometimes the brush you still see, I still feel that. I see a lot of pollen on the brush. So I'm going on the side here. Just try to see if I can get some of it off. Okay. So now you've got the bag with the pollen in there. Try to tap a little bit, get it to fall down a little bit. Then what I do, I don't crush it, but I'll go this way just to get as much air out as possible. And again, don't forget, if you're using your pollen right away the night of or the day after, you may not have to do anything with it and just leave it in your little bowl and use it. There you go. Step number one. So I have it at the bottom here so that whenever I go this way, I'm going to be able to read it through the bag. Some people would put this little silica gel right in there, but I like to put it on the second bag actually. So I see a lot of people not double back. I just tell you about the technique that works for me. We've been able to pollinate self-sterile plants last year with these techniques, so I'm keeping at it. All right. Now this one, we want to get as much air as possible. Oops, sorry camera. There you go. So now you could put it in the fridge, and I'll keep it for 2-3 weeks maybe. If I know I'm not going to use it right away though, I'm going to put it in the freezer. And what I do, however, because if you're like me and you've got tons of plants, you're going to get lots of those little baggies. So what I like to do is keep them in a big Ziploc bag. So you want to make sure that they're not all over the place in your fridge or on your in your freezer. And the freezer, you can probably keep it for months. I hear of people using frozen pollen the year after. I've done it for the first time this year, so we're gonna cross our fingers, see if it works. Hopefully you're gonna be able to take some lessons from it. There are other methods, but this is what works for me. Good luck with yours.